Hey everyone, do you also spend lot of money to get your website done? Well, stop wasting your hard-earned cash. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool that lets you create your website just by chatting. Yes, you heard it right. No coding, no editing, no hassle. So the tool name is Wagic AI and let's see how it works. First, you have to go to the tools website. You will find the link in the description below. Here, you click on login on the right side and log in with your Google account. After login, you can see the dashboard. This is the dashboard. We need to generate a new website. So we will click on create a new website. Here, it will ask you some questions. This chatbot's name is Kim. For example, it will ask what type of website do you want to create. Since I want to create a graphic design portfolio website, I will type graphic design portfolio website. Then it will ask for your website name. So enter that. I am entering mine. After that, it will ask for your website language. So enter that. Okay. So now click on OK and it's generating, and in a few seconds our website will be ready. Here is the final result. Looks good, right?
Awesome!
So after this, if you want to make some changes to the website, you can click on chat to edit on the right side. You can chat with Kim and make changes. For example, I want to change something. I will click on it, type what I want to change, and it will be updated. After that, you can also preview the website from here. You can also see the mobile view from here. And from this side, you can publish your website. From this button, you can change the color of your website, and from here, you can change the fonts too. So this is a video for how to create a website in few seconds with the use of AI. If you found my video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe my video and share it with your entrepreneur's friend. See you in the next one.